Now we are going to make mixed vegetable curry. The dish will be cooked by Mr. Muhammad Riyasat Abbasi. Mr. Riyasat is with me for last so many years. He is good in Pakistani cuisine, especially traditional Pakistani cuisine. So what type of ingredients we are going to use? Let me introduce. Actually, mixed vegetable curry can be made with many type of vegetables, but today we are going to use 5 type of vegetable. This is cauliflower, potatoes, green peas, this is carrot, and piman. Capsicum. As far as spices are concerned, we are going to use red chili powder, cumin seeds, garam masala, and red chilies flakes, salt, and then we will also use tomatoes, ginger, onion, garlic and ginger. So these are the ingredients we are going to use, and also oil. Okay, we are going to put oil in karahi, in the pot. Then we will add onion and ginger. So in order to make the base masala, we are going to make these onions brown. We are going to add 1 spoon of garlic and ginger. Okay, now we are going to add tomatoes and spices. We will mix the spices and then keep on stirring it till the time the water from ingredients evaporates. We can add 1 cube chicken cube at this stage if we like. If we don't like, we don't need to add it. So basically when we are, making onion browns, it should be high flame, and after it's brown and we put tomato and spices, then we can have low flame. And we will make the masala is the oil separates. No masala is ready, and now we are going to add approximately 20 minutes at low flame. we will cover it and lower the heat. No, the mixed vegetable curry is now ready. We are going to garnish it with the coriander and green chili. When we are eating with chapati, then we eat with hand. Oh, it's very tasty.
Very good.
We have today made this mixed vegetable curry by using 5 types of vegetable. But good thing about the vegetable dishes is that you can use various type of vegetables alone or mixed to make such type of curry. So you can take, seasonal vegetable which is available, and you can make curry out of it, because as I said, that most important thing is to make the base or the masala, and then you can add seasonal vegetable or more than one vegetable to make this type of curry. So please try to make curry, vegetable curry at home. You will definitely like it.